Hello, everyone. I'm doing my current event presentation. My article is from businessinsider.com and is dated June 1st, 2018. It's titled, Two Forms of Exercise Are the Best Way to Stave Off the Effects of Aging. Here's how to incorporate them into your life. Now, I found this article interesting because when we viewed the movie Make Way for Tomorrow a few weeks back about the Cooper's family poor financial planning measures, it made me ponder about how we should also think about our future physical health as we age so we won't have to depend so heavily on our children and family members. The article gave very healthy tips to focus on, but I did like how it opened. It stated, if we are seeking an all-natural way to lift your mood, preserve our muscle tone, and protect our brain against the decline that comes with aging, then look no further than in the mirror, which is at your body. As we age, two forms of exercise are the most important to focus on. They state aerobics and strength training. Aerobic exercise or cardio to get our hearts pumping and lots of sweat flowing. That's really good, they state. Cardio workouts are the best way to improve our overall health and mental health state. It will help fight off different types of illnesses such as heart disease and even diabetes. Aerobic exercises like jogging may help to reverse some of the heart damage from normal aging, it states. As we become older, we have a tendency to be less active. Well, this can cause some of our muscles in the heart to become tight or even stiff. One of those muscles that become tight is in the left chamber of our heart. That area plays a chief role in supplying our body with oxygen to the blood. They did a recent study where they split 53 adults into two groups. One did 2 years of supervised exercise, 4 to 5 days a week, which involved walking on a treadmill, jumping jacks, while the others did yoga and balance exercises. At the end of the study, the higher intensity exercises such as the treadmill, jumping jacks, cross-body punches, and burpees seen significant improvements in the heart performance, suggesting that some muscle stiffening in the heart can be preventable or reversed by doing cardio exercise on a regular basis. Previous research states we can feel a change within our bodies with a 45-minute workout. So they stated the fact that your latest workout was 5 or 50 minutes is less important than whether you manage to hit the track regularly or have a routine several times a week. Also, they stated, I like this, cardio workouts may improve the look and feel of our skin. A study from McMaster University found that people over 40 years old who regularly did cardio tended to have healthier skin than their inactive peers. Then, aerobic workouts may guard against age-related decline because of reduced brain connectivity. Maintaining physical fitness can help keep blood flowing normally to our brain tissue. So if we want our brains to continue to function well, they suggest that we do more cardio. And the other form was strength training. This is typically geared towards building or preserving our muscles. Tai Chi, the Chinese martial arts, the series of flowing movements, it stated that Tai Chi is best for preserving muscles from age-related decline. And as we know, balance is something we lose as we get older. So sometimes exercise can do more for your health than medications. Because as we know, sometimes medications can cause us to become depression. It can cause dizziness. You can lose your hair. I mean, there's several different things. So also they stated weightlifting that improves your appearance and fights off age-related muscle loss. So overall, if you start now to incorporate exercise in your routine of life, it won't be as difficult as one enters into their older adult years. Thank you, everyone, and have a good one.